Hello, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy gardening with a step-by-step guide to keeping those pesky pests at bay. Our first tip is all about soil health. By incorporating compost, manure, and organic matter, you're not only creating a healthy haven for your plants, but also providing natural predators for pests such as nematodes and predatory insects. So, invest in some good soil amendments. Moving on to tip number 2, plant selection. Choose plants that are naturally resistant to pests and diseases. There are many great resources online that can guide you in selecting the right plants for your garden. Remember, planting locally suitable species helps tremendously in preventing pest infestations. Now for tip 3, companion planting. Certain herbs and flowers are natural repellents for pests. Consider growing marigolds or basil around your crops. They'll not only add beauty to your garden, but also keep the pests away. Tip number 4 is crop rotation. This practice helps break the pest cycle by moving crops seasonally. So next time you're planting, consider switching it up. And lastly, our 5th tip, physical barriers. Insect screens on windows and doors can help prevent flying insects from entering your home, while interplanting with certain flowers like calendula can deter pests without harming them or your crops. By following these tips, you're well on your way to a pest-free garden. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!